Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Jahan Binta Rashid. Today I am pretending to be a doctor at Square Hospital. In this meeting we are talking about a patient who got fainted on the road. We instantly admitted him to our hospital. Now he is under our treatment. I really wanted to know about him, if he is a criminal or a good person. Actually, I searched his luggage, but I couldn't find any ID or NID, but I do found a diary of him. In his diary, after reading his diary, I observed that he was a very kind-hearted person, he is a highly educated person and came from a very good family. He wanted to go on a trip. In 1st February, he wanted to go Gazipur, and in the following day, he wanted to return back to Dhaka. Then he wanted to do a shooting with his students. According to 3rd, 9th and 10th February, he wanted to do the song rehearsals. That song is We Shall Overcome, and in the 10th February, he wanted to do the final shooting. Then after reading his diary, I observed that he was attending a picnic in Dream Holiday Park at 8th February. Then he wanted to go to Chattogram to explore the beauty of Patenga Sea Beach. He really wanted to see the sea beach, the sunset, the sunrise, and many other also. He is a very kind person. He loves to travel. He is a solo traveler. He also loves his family very much. After knowing his diary, I found his name that he was MD Liaquat Hussain. He is an English professor. He has a channel that names Liaquat. I loved his personality actually. He notes everything in his diary. He loves to organize everything. Lastly, in 23rd February, he wanted to go at a study tour with his students at Sonargaon. Now I am very happy that he is now very good in our treatment. He will be cured in under 6 hours and we will release him. We are trying to contact his family and I will tell them that he is a very kind-hearted person. Please take good care of them. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and please pray for him that he will get cured as fast as we could. Thank you.